What if one AI app could take you from a simple idea to a polished brand ad? In this video, I'm putting that to the test by creating a luxury promo for a fictitious candle brand called Ember & Co. from scratch using Creative Fabrica Studio AI. So I chose a candle brand here because it works really well for this kind of test because it's simple, stylish, and naturally premium. And I don't need to complicate things by needing a human model to sell it. The goal here is to create some brand assets that feel warm, moody, and cinematic. So rather than just clicking around and testing random AI tools, I'm using Creative Fabrica Studio AI in a practical workflow to build something real from start to finish. To get started, use the link in the pinned comment or description below to get the best seasonal discounts. Right, we're here now in the Creative Fabrica Studio AI, and on the left you can see all of the AI tools we have at our disposal. AI image tools, AI video tools, AI audio tools, 3D tools, as well as a whole swag of other tools under utilities and more. All up there are over 30 AI tools you can play with in Creative Fabrica's Studio AI. So the tools we're working with in today's workflow will take us from brand idea to a full product video. That is an AI image generator, image editor, video generator, speech, and music generators. So we'll head over to the side panel and kick things off with the AI image generator. And down the bottom here is where we put in our prompt. Let's put a luxury candle with the brand name Ember & Co. Let's select 16:9 here because we want to create a product video in widescreen and then later maybe change it into portrait mode. For our image model, we have all these top tier ones to choose from, so let's select Nano Banana Pro. We are ready to go, so let's generate that. And while that generates, I'm just going to quickly do another generation using a different model. Great, both results are in. Here is the first one with the Nano Banana Pro model. And we are looking very premium. We have a glass container here, hand poured luxury soy wax wood wick. Pretty nice logo there. So that's that option. And here is the second option. And in fact, I forgot to do the 16:9. That's the square option there. So that one's looking quite good as well, but I think I like the premium look of this one a little bit more. The next step in the workflow is to edit this image. So come on down and click edit. So in the image editor, we just use simple prompts on things we want to get changed in the image. So for example, with this one, I might like to add another line of text here, more information about the brand and that particular candle. So I'll put in a prompt for a second line of text saying sandalwood and amber, established 2021 with a product weight as well. I'll hit generate and send that off and see how well it does making those adjustments. Okay, that's in, let's check it out. Sandalwood and amber, established. Perfect, it's added in the text perfectly. Okay, now that we've got that base image dialed in, next what I want to do is create, say, 3 more images of the same product from different angles that I can then put into the AI video generator to use as the basis as the different types of videos that we can have in the final product video. So I've put in a prompt to use that reference image and create another angle using the exact same branding as that one. So let's go ahead and generate that. Okay, that's finished, and I actually went ahead and did 2 other variations. So here is variation 1. A low angle, then variation 2, we have a top-down angle, which I'll definitely use in the AI video generation. And then we have a 45-degree angled one here as well. What I'm going to do now is download each of these 3, and then we'll move into the AI video generation phase. Here we are inside the AI video generation panel, and down the bottom here's where we put our prompt in. So first of all, we're going to put the start and end frame in. We have the first image with the candle not lit, and the second image with the candle lit. We'll put our prompt in where a hand comes in and lights the candle with a match and the camera slowly pushes in. We'll keep the model at VO3.1 fast, change to widescreen, select 1080p, and we only have the option of 8 seconds with this model. So let's go ahead and generate that. Okay, that's finished. Let's play it out. It comes in. Some nice reflections in the glass there, both here and here. It's very nice. Okay, so that generation worked out very well. That'll go nicely in the video. Okay, next I'll do some video generations on the other base images and come back when they're done. As I said before, there are over 30 AI tools you can use inside Creative Fabrica Studio AI, so definitely check out the link in the pinned comment and description below to get those seasonal discounts. Great, this one will be the establishing shot, the push in, so that's great. This one here is a bit of a feature shot rotating around. And lastly, we have like a closing shot here. Beautiful. Okay, that completes all the videos. Let's now move on to the AI speech generator. Do that by coming over to audio and AI speech generator. Here we can paste in our script, which I've pre-created. And down the bottom, I can choose the character voice. Let's try out a couple. Bella.
In the theater of life, we are all actors sharing the same scene.
Very nice. Let's try Liam.
Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about...
Okay, I think I want to go with the female voice for this one. So let's choose Matilda and preview her.
Ideas are the beginning points of all fortunes.
Sounds nice. All right, so I've chosen my voice. I've got my script in here. Let's generate the speech and see how it sounds. Okay, that was quick to generate. Let's play it out.
Meet Ember & Co., a luxury candle designed to bring warmth, calm, and style into your space. With rich sandalwood and amber notes,
Perfect. That's a very nice tone that I'm looking for in my product video for the Ember & Co. candle brand. So let's download that one. That step was nice and easy. Let's move on to the AI music generation step. To do so, come over to audio once again and go to AI music generator. And out of the models, Lyria 3 is the current leading model for AI music generation. So we'll select that one. That one's by Google. Now I'm going to describe the song. And I'm just going to put in this prompt here, which I created in ChatGPT to be a promo-ish type background music. And I'm not going to have any lyrics because I want it to be just instrumental only. For the time, I'm going to set it at 30 seconds because as you saw with the speech generation, it was a 21-second read. I'm going to change it to instrumental because I don't want it to have lyrics, as I said. And I've taken the opportunity to give it a reference image as well. So that's all ready to go. Generate and see what we come back with. Okay, that's done. It's called it Golden Horizons of Serenity. Let's take a listen. Very nice. Great, that'll make a perfect addition to the Ember & Co. brand. The last piece of the puzzle here before we bring this all together is creating some sound effects. Now you would have noticed inside the videos that we generated, there was some sound that was already created within it, but I want to create a sound that's consistent across the whole video. So let's download that and then head over to Audio, AI, Sound Effect Generator. Here is a dashboard for that, similar to the other ones, and I'm just going to put in a prompt I've already built, which is a match strike, lighting the candle, and then soft burning. And let's change that time to... let's go 15 seconds and we don't need to loop that. Hit generate and that's done nice and quick. So let's play that out. Nice soft candle burning in the background. Okay, I didn't love the first part of that sound, so I changed the prompt slightly and now I've got a different generation here. Let's have a listen. Alright, so the match striking was much better, but then I couldn't hear the candle, so I might use the first half of this and then the second half of that one. Great, I've got all the elements that make up a brand video. Now I just need to go into my video editor to put them all together. Now there's plenty of free video editors out there you can use, such as DaVinci Resolve, but I use Premiere. So what I'm going to do now is quickly whiz through this video editing process, talk through some steps as I go, and then show you the finished result. As a reminder, this video was made from a blank slate that just came from the idea of a candle, and using the Creative Fabrica Studio AI, we were able to build all the different brand assets we needed from scratch to be able to make the finished result that we've got right here. Creative Fabrica Studio AI works best when used as a connected workflow suite, as opposed to just using one of these tools at a random time. So essentially with this brand build, I ordered the shots the way I wanted it to, put in the sound effects at the right timing, added the speech, trimmed a few gaps so that the start of each sentence coincided with the start of a new shot, and then just laid the music over the top. So let's have a watch now of the final video. And here we go.
meet Ember & Co., a luxury candle designed to bring warmth, calm, and style into your space. With rich sandalwood and amber notes, it creates a soft, inviting atmosphere that instantly elevates the room. Simple, elegant, and made to turn everyday moments into something special. Ember & Co., light the mood.
Hey, beautiful. So that is the power of Creative Fabrica's Studio AI, where you can create each of these individual brand elements and put them all together into a final video. I think that's a pretty professional looking product video. Wouldn't you just love to go out and buy an Ember & Co candle right now? Okay, remember to use the link in the pinned comment and description below for the seasonal discounts on Creative Fabrica's Studio AI. Watch this video next to see how to use HeyGen free to create your own AI clone avatar. Also subscribe to the channel for more AI updates just like this. Thanks for joining me and I'll see you there.